Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet essential trick for your WordPress site, how to remove the read more button completely. Whether you want your post to display in full or just streamline your page layout, this quick guide will get it done in just a few steps. So let's dive in. First, head over to your WordPress homepage. You'll find the login link at the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, you have the option to log in the traditional way with your username and password. Or you can choose the quicker Continue with Google option. Just select your Google account and you'll instantly access your WordPress dashboard. It's that fast and convenient. Once you're logged in, look for the quick links section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Click it and this will take you directly into the WordPress site editor. This editor allows you to make all kinds of layout and content changes easily, including editing or removing buttons like Read More. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to find that pesky Read More button. Click the plus icon to open the box search bar. In the search field, type Read. WordPress will filter and show the Read More element. Click on it to select it, and now you're ready to remove it. With the Read More element selected, simply press Shift plus Backspace on your keyboard. Instantly, the button disappears from your page, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Read More button without affecting the rest of your content. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove the Read More button from your WordPress posts. No plugins, no complicated steps, just a simple edit in the site editor. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.